Okay, welcome back to more testing. So this week we have a new and improved bracket. You can see on the side of the bracket here there's this flange on the bottom that runs all the way along the length of the bracket. It makes the bracket a little bigger, but it's much more rigid. I noticed when I first put this together it helped to put the basket bars in first, because if they're not orthogonal, the basket bars help make everything orthogonal, and then everything else just kind of falls in line pretty nice. So in this case I've got two precision roller bars on the bottom. Again, this is kind of my favorite solution. I do have the spacer right here on this bar because I did put alignment clamps on this bar. I don't think we need it on the other bar, but on the bar that you have the clamps on, we should have the spacer in here so this bar doesn't slide left to right. Got my alignment collars on the alignment rail at the top. And you can see here I've got the other two brackets over here. So these brackets can also take the standard series roller bars. With these ends, they go into these tracks here. So it can go both ways, which is kind of nice. I've got this lined up in the front, same way as I did before. I'm going to pull up on the top so I can see a better view of the vinyl as we go through. Okay, so I've got my blade holder in there now, or my blade holder in the truck now. It wasn't there before. So this is the same piece of vinyl I tested last week. It's got the test cuts in there from before. I've scooted it over a little bit, so I've got another 120 inch by 12 inch wide test cut that I'm going to send. So I'm going to send that now. I'm going to get in here and watch the alignment. Let's see how this goes. Material falling nicely in the basket as desired. A lot less static today compared to last weekend, so I actually don't have the static string on there and I don't feel the static coming off the material like last week. It is cooler in Arizona this week. I think it's in the low 90s. Last week it was like about 100. So it looks like this time this one stayed nice and true, tracking good. I'm pretty sure we'll get similar results with whichever set of bars we decide to use as the roller bars. Thank you.